We've got a camping trip scheduled for the weekend, and I drove the truck up to Ken's upholstery shop this morning, and I noticed I had a little drip out of the bottom of my radiator right here. This has one of those clip-on brackets. I think I'm going to go get me a screw bracket and put it up on there real snug and tighten it up. And I may go ahead and move this one. It actually probably should be clipped up on here a little further, but anyway, I don't have one of those in my shop, so I got to run up to the store and get me one, and then we'll put that on there and we'll see if that fixes that leak. Okay, here I am. I've got the clamp. Actually, I left the old clamp right in place, put the new clamp behind it, and I'm tightening it up with my free hand, trying to hold the camera with the other. This reminds me a little bit of 63 amp power. I don't have room for a tripod under here. I'm going to see if I can sit you guys right here. You're sort of wedged up in the frame there. And I don't know if you can see anything or not, but I'll go ahead and spin this around a little bit and tighten it like this.